Alright, hi guys. So if you want to know how you can be able to save your draft on Instagram, you want to know how you can be able to locate your draft on Instagram, watch this video I'm about to show you right now to the end, and you are going to be seeing the very simple way to save and locate your draft on Instagram. Thank you. First of all, what you have to do is you have to go to your Instagram. You have to open your Instagram app, and let it give you some time to open. So after that, you have to go to this plus sign. Click on this plus sign. Once you have clicked on the plus sign, it will take you directly to your gallery. Yes, so here now is all the images and videos I have on my gallery. So I have to now select a picture, because you know this is a tutorial. So let me just select this. Let me just select this picture. So once I select this picture, I click on this arrow here. I click on this arrow. I also click on the arrow again. And then here is where I have to write my caption. So let me just write something like, let me just write anything, because this is a tutorial. So let me just write anything. So after you have done writing this caption here, you now have to click on the move back button. Yes, click on your back button. So I go back, I click on the back button again. I click on the back button again. Then Instagram will now bring out this option, or discard. Discard means delete. So but here what we are doing today is that we are going to be saving this as draft. Yes, so we now click on save draft. So you see, once we are done saving as draft, let's just close the Instagram app. So now when we are about to publish that content, we now have to move back to our Instagram app again. We have to open the Instagram app. So once you have opened your Instagram app, you go back to this plus sign again. Click on this plus sign. It's going to be taking you straight to your gallery. So once you are taking you straight to your gallery, you can see here on the display, you can see gallery is here, and at the right hand side is draft. This place you can see where it is mentioned draft. So you have to now click on draft. Once you click on this draft, now this is the tutorial, this is the content we saved as draft earlier. This is it now. So if you now want to publish it, what you have to do right now, you click on this arrow here. Click on this arrow again. Then you click on this mark here. If you have done with your caption, you have done with everything, with your tag, with your add mention button, with your location, everything, then you now have to like click on this mark here. Then it will just upload to your Instagram. So simple. So simple, guys. So guys, if you find this video interesting, you can do it to click on the share button. Let your friends get to see. You know what, guys, there are a lot of your friends that don't know how to do this. So share this video so they can be able to watch this video and also learn from it as well. Thank you. See you guys next time.